Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to use InVideo without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the InVideo free plan and get the most out of its features in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and create a free account using your email address, Google account, or another available sign-in option. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the InVideo dashboard. From the dashboard, you can start creating videos using templates, AI-powered video generation tools, or the manual video editor. To begin, click Create Video and choose the type of project you want to make. You can create YouTube videos, social media content, promotional videos, presentations, advertisements, and much more. One of the most popular features is AI video generation. Simply enter a prompt describing the video you want to create, and InVideo will generate scenes, visuals, narration, and other content automatically. And that's how to use the InVideo free plan in 2026. It's a great way to explore AI-powered video creation and editing tools without spending money upfront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.